Alright guys, so I'm doing a review on this silk oat, and basically it is the chocolate silk oat beverage. It's dairy free, and I never tried the chocolate version. This was the only one that was there at the grocery store, so yeah, that's all I got. And there's the nutrient panel. Here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause it. It does have where's the sugars of 13 grams per 1 cup. So let's do a quick taste test. I've tried their regular flavor, so I haven't tried this one. But like I said, that's all they had at the grocery store, so. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test. Check that out. That's what it looks like. It's got a nice thicker consistency. Let's try it out. Taste test. Wow, it's actually really good. It's got the oat flavor, and the chocolate is very subtle. It's not that it's there, but just a slight aroma. There's a lot of oat flavor, and it is on the sweet side, so just be careful of that, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.